Yo, you hear that? It's Huggy Wuggy, and today I'm gonna show you how to sound just like me. Whether you want to troll your friends in games, scare people in voice chat, let's begin.
To get Huggy Wuggy's voice, first download and install HitPaw VikPea. I've left the download link in the description below, so make sure to grab the latest version first. Once it's installed, open HitPaw VikPea and you'll see the setup screen. Choose your microphone and speaker device, then click Continue and Done to enter the real-time voice changer interface. From there, you can select the voice effect you want, and we'll add Huggy Wuggy's voice soon. After that, open your favorite game or chat app like Fortnite, then set your input device to HitPaw Virtual Audio Device.
Now everyone will hear your new voice.
If you want to make AI cover songs, just switch to the AI cover section, import your song file, select the voice model you want, and click Make AI Cover. In just a few moments, your song will be transformed into an AI cover. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI voice tutorials and fun character voices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.